Dear students, you are probably watching this video on your computer. Some of you might be playing games or browsing Facebook on your cell phones. But have you ever wondered how these systems work? Doesn't matter whether it's a simple switch or a complex computer system, digital logic design is the first thing that you should know to answer that question. Let's learn a few things about digital logic design. Digital logic is a term used to denote the design and analysis of digital system. It is concerned with the interconnection among digital components and modules. Digital logic is rooted in binary code, a series of zeros and ones, each having an opposite value. Now, let's learn about how we can represent some information using digital logic design. Human decisions tend to be binary. For example, yes or no. Elementary storage units inside computers are electronic switches. Each switch holds one of the two states, on or off. We use 0 or 1 to represent those states respectively. This can be extended for more than one switch too. If we use two switches and both of them remain off, then it will be represented with two zeros. If one is off and the other is on, then we can represent it with 0 and 1 respectively. Same goes for the other two combinations. We'll learn more about it in future lectures. Since this is an intro video, I'm not gonna bore you with extravagant details. Let's learn a few basic stuffs regarding our course. The course code is CSE 260. This doesn't have any prerequisite and it is a 3-credit course. However, the course includes a compulsory 3-hour laboratory work each week. Let's talk about the syllabus now. Various contents will be covered in this course. We'll start with simple things like number conversions and Boolean algebra. After that, we'll gradually move into more advanced topics such as combinational and sequential circuits. By the end of this course, you should have a very good idea regarding all of these topics, which will definitely help you in more advanced courses. So, are you feeling stressed that there are too many contents? Well, don't you worry. We have got some awesome instructors for you. Let's meet them, shall we? That's it guys, hopefully we'll have a great semester. Best of luck to you all.